Hi everyone, I'm Saeed Rashad from Certain Delta Secrets. Today I'm going to show you how to use cross-referencing to insert your appendices as hyperlinks in the assignments. Let's begin. Here is my MA dissertation, and now I'm going to show you the appendices. All right, here we go. We have Appendix 3, Appendix 4, Appendix 2, Appendix 1. So now let's try Appendix 1. You should select first, then go to References, and then click on Cross-Reference. You should see this heading. If it's not there, you should select it. Insert, tick it, heading text, then go down to find Appendix 1. So we have Appendix 1, 2, 3, 4. We want to link Appendix 1 to Appendix 1. So click on it, then insert, close. Now you see it's changed now, and it's clickable now. Just press on it, Control, and it will take you to Appendix 1. Easy, very easy. Let's try Appendix 2, for example, again. All right, here we go, Appendix 2. Select, go to References, Cross-Reference, choose heading, heading text, insert, and then go down, choose Appendix 2, insert, close. Now it's clickable. Press on Control, and then click on it, should take you to Appendix 2, and so on and so forth. Thank you so much.